take some time today to talk a little bit about Paradise Points, how to earn them, how to use them so that you can save money. Here at Paradise Med Spa and Wellness, every time you make a purchase, we reward you with Paradise Points. It's our way of saying thank you to our loyal clients. Here's how it works. For every $1 that you spend, you earn 1 Paradise Point. 500 points are worth $25. 1,000 points are worth $50, and so on. For cosmetic treatments, Paradise Points can be redeemed for up to $200 off your ticket that day. For wellness services like BioTE Pelleting, for example, you can redeem Paradise Points for up to $75 off your ticket that day. So your ticket includes not only the services, but it also includes skincare products or supplements that you might purchase that have been recommended by our wellness team. We also award Paradise Points for your referrals. We really appreciate it when you refer other patients to us. Paradise Points can be used at time of service on regularly priced items. So that's the important thing here. We do offer monthly specials, but sometimes those specials aren't what you need right now. So in that case, you have Paradise Points that you can redeem to save money on your ticket that day. In any case, whether you're coming in because we have a special going on, or whether you want to use Paradise Points, the girls at our front desk are going to make sure that you get whichever offer is better for you and help save you the most money. It's that easy. And guess what? Paradise Points never expire. So you don't have to worry about using them up before they go away, because they won't. If you have any questions, please feel free to phone us or shoot us an email. We're happy to help, and we're just a phone call away. Thanks.